when you're 3D printing so much that the kids get fascinated by it. So your printer and bust out the old one that you used to print on. It's super slow. Start printing stuff for the kids and let them learn. But not only that, I had to buy a laptop so they don't sit here in my gun room and use mine, because it's for my business and 3D printing, and I don't want all their shit intermingled with all my shit. So, yeah. Yep. 17 hours left on this. Chugging along. Got that printing. Got that stuff done. Bat-cat. And then, here before too long, taking the old soap for a ride. We'll be making some fun things for people, unexpectedly, with the soap. So, thanks for tuning in to Larry's World. See you on the next one. Like, share, subscribe, follow, comment, whatever. Let me know if you 3D print stuff, or maybe if your kids are interested in 3D printing, and you started doing that. So, yeah, let me know. Catch you on the next